So it might not be a big deal to some of y'all, but this is the first time that I get to cook with the door fully opened. I'm at Five Finger Rapids. This is about halfway between Dawson and Whitehorse. And I'm just excited that I get to do this. It's been so cold that I haven't had a chance to. I jumped into this whole van life thing like October, right? So it was getting kind of nippy for that. And anywho, we're living now, so there you go. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatever it is, wherever you are, hello. I am officially leaving Whitehorse today. We are headed to Liard Springs. I'm going to try and make it all in one stint. It's about an 8-hour drive. It is currently 12:30 on Tuesday, March 21st. I think is what it is today. Maybe it's the 20th. Well, that's a beautiful sun flare there. morning, folks. Good afternoon, good evening, good whatever it is, wherever you are. I look a little rough because I spent the last 6 days at Liard Hot Springs. So I bathed in that water probably twice a day. There's a campground there. It was $16 a night, which is stupid cheap. I try to pick the one with the best field of view of the sky, just because of the Starlink. I was going to camp out for a few days. I also wanted to get some work done, and so I took advantage of all that. Happy to say the Starlink worked amazing. Oh, here they are. There you go, that's better. I just wanted to give you an update because I haven't filmed in a couple of days, and so I am driving down the Icefield Parkway. I'm almost at the tail end of it towards Lake Louise. But I was feeling like taking the scenic route back to Calgary, and so I decided to just take a right instead of a left when I got to Hinton. But we're gonna end off this Arctic adventure the same way we started at the Banff Hot Springs. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's that. For the next month, I will be in Calgary working on the van and wrapping up some things that got a little loosey-goosey. Get the bike ready for springtime. I realized on this trip kind of a lot of the things that I need and how I need things to be. We're gonna get a coffee from Laggins because it's garbage, but you know, when in Rome. So that's where we're at for the day. Pulling in here to Laggins, where I spent winter getting carbon monoxide poisoning. Shit got real quick. That's a fucking cool little van. Anywho, keep rolling. I wanted to get my passport, but it's not ready. And I think part of it is because of all of that stuff that's going on. So I gotta come back later, which is really not a problem. I think the bigger inconvenience is that I just pay for parking. Like, I just ran out to go pay for parking so I can go back inside and wait. But I'm not gonna wait around. It's 9 a.m. I'm not gonna wait around till 1 p.m. to get my passport. I'm gonna go do some things at work and yeah, fuck. Back here at 1, which is quite unfortunate. Sheesh, that lady was grumpy. She walked out of the little passport office and she looked at me and she's like, just like mouthed the words, and her frustration is, it's evident, because my biggest concern was actually it not being printed, but it turns out that it is, and they're just doing some quality control stuff, and then we can pick it up later. So that's what we're gonna do. I mean, I leave in a couple of days here, so even if I have to wait a couple of days, it's not the end of the world. I just wanted to not have to leave here and just burden my mom or my friends or someone with more of my shit. Just because it like, your phone and is reminded. It's a lot. Like it's, you know, coming out here, like paying for parking, it's fucking busy everywhere. It's a lot, but whatever. It is what it is. Anywho, I'm out. See you later.